In this tutorial, we will learn about fixed advisor or fixed geometry in SolidWorks simulation. This is our geometry. We already defined case, material also defined. Let's activate here fixture advisor. Even if you drop down and you will see all the fixtures available here. So simply select fixture advisor. Now here you will see simulation advisor. If you come down, you will directly click add a fixture. Now in right you will see a fixture property manager appears. Now from here we can do all the things, even cancel, and you can directly select drop down the menu of fixture advisor and select fixed geometry. Fixed geometry, this is most commonly used type of fixture. The selected face is lying on a hard surface and it cannot move due to action of any applied forces. So let's say here we have two type, one is type and one is split. In split I'll tell you what will exactly happen. This is a kind of example. Fixed geometry, standard geometry we selected, and here we have to choose any face, edge or vertices which is going to fix. Let's say I am going to select this one and simply say yes, and it will fix. But clear, and here we have one option called split. Now if you want to create or split the face of this body in particular shape, you can do it with the help of this. Simply in type of split I am going to select sketch, create sketch. Now here we have to choose any desired plane to draw our sketch. So let's say I am going to select this plane. Now here we entered in sketch toolbar. Let me activate line tool and draw one line. Press escape key to out. Now let's say a random line. Now simply choose here one window, open, split, exit. Now look, in selection sketch, this line selected. Now face, which face we want to split. Let's say I am going to select these four faces, and if I am going to click here create split, look, now comes here. Now here you can clear and select which face you want to fix. So let me choose these faces. See, okay. Even though if you want to change the symbol of this triad, symbol size, let's say 150, look, this become, if you want to change color, red, but everything we will keep as it is. Size also 100, it's perfect. Okay, so this is the first part of fixed geometry. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.